Hey, welcome back everybody. So Cody got his first turkey, quite frankly the only turkey we ever got, and he shot it. So we're going to barbecue this turkey. We have some really nice flayed out turkey breasts and we're just going to barbecue them, but we're going to wrap these in bacon, season them up, and so let's just jump right in and get started. Here's some real quick footage of us getting that turkey, and from there, out to the grill. So they've been coming out of this tree line here behind us. We're kind of up on a big knoll here, so then they fly out in front of us up into the timber. So a little bit early yet, but we spotted them here a couple days ago, pretty close to this time, so we thought we'd get out here and see what we could do. Wish us luck. Come eat your bird.
I'm tired.
Oh, that was exciting.
That was exciting. I'm very proud of me and you. And Mom, she's over there.
Yeah, come on over here. There's your bird, buddy.
Oh, what the?
Look at that.
That's a nice bird.
That is a big turkey. That's a nice first turkey.
Yep.
That is so awesome. Okay, so all we're going to do is just take these here and wrap them up in some bacon. So you wind up with something just like this here. Okay, so we got a nice bit of coals over here. We're going to do a little bit of indirect heat. Take these and just set them right here. Hear them searing already. Alright, we'll cover these up here. Alright, we're going to let these sear up here a little bit. Just slow cook, indirect heat, and we'll see if we like wild turkey or not. That is super, just juicy, nice. Turned out great. Nice and tender feeling so far. All right, we grilled up the first wild turkey ever.
That we've ever tried. That we've ever tried.
Yep.
At least. So
you, because you shot it, you get to take the first bite.
I have butterflies in my stomach.
Honest opinion.
Can we go shoot another one?
Can we go shoot another one? Seriously? Is it good?
It's amazing.
Is it really?
That's the best. It's better than chicken. It's like, it's not rubbery.
Okay, I have a piece. Oh my God.
I'm not kidding you.
That's really good. That's amazing.
It's not, it tastes like...
That's really good.
It tastes amazing.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. I'm gonna eat. That's really good. Bacon wrapped turkey breasts.
Cooked on the barbecue.
We're going back.
Boom.
See you next time.